What if your smartphone could become more than just a device for WhatsApp, TikTok, and Instagram? What if you could actually use it to build an income? Welcome to Money Talks with XTY, where we break down everything finance. Today, I'm showing you 3 platforms Nigerians can use to turn their skills, knowledge, or audience into money. But don't just download all 3. They make money in completely different ways. One can help you build attention, one can help you sell digital products, and one can help you sell professional skills. First, let's kill one misconception. There is no legitimate app where you download it, tap a few buttons, and suddenly become rich. Real online income usually comes from your time, your skill, your knowledge, or your ability to attract attention. Let's start with number 3, TikTok. Now I know what you're thinking. TikTok? Isn't that just an entertainment app? But that's exactly why it can be powerful. TikTok gives you attention, and attention can become money when you connect it to the right business model. You can potentially work with brands, use affiliate opportunities where available, promote your own products, or use your audience to sell services. But here's what I wouldn't recommend. Don't start posting random videos hoping TikTok will eventually pay you. Choose a topic. Build an audience around that topic. Then give that audience something relevant to buy. And remember, TikTok's direct creator monetization programs aren't automatically available everywhere. So don't build your entire strategy around getting paid for views. Think of TikTok as an audience building machine. And this brings us to number 2. Because once TikTok gives you attention, where do you send those people? And Selar allows you to create an online storefront where you can sell digital products, courses, services, and other products. You don't necessarily need to build a complicated website from scratch. You create your product, set up your store, and share your product link with potential customers. And you don't need to invent something complicated. You could sell an ebook, a Canva template, a budgeting spreadsheet, a smartphone video editing guide, a meal planner, or even a mini course. Let's make this very Nigerian. Imagine you know how to create professional CVs. You could create a downloadable CV template and sell it for 5,000 naira. 10 customers would be 50,000 naira in gross sales. 100 customers would be 500,000 naira in gross sales. But there's something beginners often miss. Selar doesn't magically bring customers to you. You still have to market your product. Your job is to get the right people to see it and want it. Now here's where things get interesting. What if you don't have a digital product? What if you don't want to become a TikTok influencer? What if you already have a professional skill? That's where number 1 comes in. Upwork. Upwork is a freelance marketplace where people offer professional services to clients. Think writing, graphic design, video editing, software development, virtual assistants, marketing, data analysis, and many other skills. Here's how you can start. Choose one skill you can actually deliver. Create a professional profile. Find projects that match your ability. Submit personalized proposals. And when a client hires you, complete the work according to the agreement. Imagine you're a Nigerian video editor. You find a client who needs 10 short-form videos. You send a strong proposal. The client hires you. You complete the project. You've just turned a skill you already have into an income opportunity that isn't limited to your immediate location. And this is why I put Upwork at number 1. You're not just trying to make money from an app. You're using the app to access a market. And as your skill improves, your earning potential can improve with it. Imagine you're a graphic designer. You post design tips on TikTok. Someone discovers you. They want your Canva templates. You sell those templates through Selar. Another viewer needs a professional designer. They hire you for a project through Upwork. One skill has now created multiple income opportunities. So which one should you start with? If you have a professional skill, try Upwork. If you have knowledge you can package, try Selar. If you enjoy creating content and building an audience, try TikTok. And eventually you can connect them. And please remember, never pay someone who promises to guarantee you online income. Never share your password or OTP. And don't believe every screenshot you see online. Always check the platform's official website for current rules, fees, and payment options. So remember, TikTok, build attention. Selar, sell knowledge and digital products. And the real opportunity isn't necessarily in one app. It's learning how to turn your skill, knowledge, or audience into value. If you're Nigerian and you want realistic ways to make, manage, and grow your money online, subscribe. Because on this channel, we're not selling overnight wealth. We're breaking down real money opportunities in simple language. Because making money online isn't really about finding the secret app. It's about becoming valuable enough that people want to pay you. Thanks for watching.